Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Canva code to create different kind of interactive HTML animation or even programs or applications directly within Canva code. Okay, so this is an example. I have created a quadratic equation solver which find the root of this ABC. All you need is to signify the coefficient of x squared, of x, and of the constant, which is c. I see 1, 5, and 6 in this case. So in any case, you can clear and you can add in other coefficients that you have. For example, if this is 5, this is 4, and this is 86. So you can still solve this, and it's going to go ahead and solve the whole equation and give you the roots, two roots, because it's a quadratic equation. You can see root 1, you can see root 2, and these are complex roots that you may have. Okay, so you can clear this and add another one. Maybe you can change this to make it 5, and once you solve, it's going to solve and give you your root. This is very easy. You can use it in the design, and you can publish this also to share with people to start using it. So I'm going to show you how to quickly use it, to use it in Canva, use the Canva code to create the page. So you can come to your Canva account, go to create, and you can be able to see Canva code in here. It's a very new feature. So all you need to do is to make sure that the Canva code is selected. So you can go ahead and type in, can you create an interactive calculator for a simple market calculation. For example, this is how we want it. You can just go ahead, put an enter, and just give it some seconds to see what this is going to create for. In a matter of seconds, you can see the coding has been created, the market calculator has been created. So all you need is to add in your units, for example, unit quantity, price per unit, and then the fees, commission if you have any. Okay, you can write to maybe adjust this concept if this is not what you want. For example, I say 4 units of price, maybe $1,200, and then you can say maybe a commission of 10%, and you can just go ahead and calculate. And you can see the fee, the subtotal. Okay, so this is the amount, subtotal is the amount, and so on. Very detailed. You can publish this also. You can use it in design, and you can add maybe some components or elements of the calculator. You can make it to vary according to your design. Okay, and maybe you have a specific case study, you can also be able to use that. So this is simply how to use the Canva code to create some basic interactive things. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.